Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be changing the taillight bulbs on the 99 through 04 Mustang. It's pretty much the same for the 94 to 98, and these are very simple. The bulb pulls straight from the socket. The sockets themselves do just twist in and out of the housing, so we'll show you how to get that out. If you do have the amber tail lights, it's the same thing. There's just one extra socket there. If you want to see how to install the amber tail lights, check the video description. I have a full install video on those. It is more than just plugging them in. There is some wiring involved. Okay, so we'll get started. Go ahead and pop the trunk, and on the inside you're going to find these little wing nuts, these plastic wing nuts. So you're going to just spin these off counterclockwise, and then that piece of carpet there will pull back. That's all you really have to do to get down in here. And there are 4 different nuts that were taken off the studs. One there, and it's these gold ones. The second one there, you can see the third one, and the fourth one, you have to peel this back and look way down in there. Now, something that helps is a deep socket, 7/16 inch, to get over the stud. And even more helpful than that too, if you get the bendable head wrench 17th inch socket. This helps you get down in there on these nuts without having to really have a big socket wrench way back in there. So it's low profile, helps a lot. I'll put in the link in the description where you can find these. So we're just going to go after all 4 of these on each side. You do not have to disconnect the harness for this. There's enough slack when you pull the taillight assembly out. So once they're all out, make sure they are, then pull it straight out. If it's bound up, make sure you didn't miss one of the nuts. For the bulb socket, just twist it and pull it out. And for the bulb itself, just pull it straight out, and you would replace your new bulb by pushing it straight in. And then just put the socket back in, line it up. You'll see there's 3 notches here that you would put it in and then twist it. So the socket itself, before you put the bulb in, you can see this one has some corrosion on it. So that is something that can happen as condensation gets in there, a little bit of rust. So something that you can use is a wire brush to clean that out. Be very careful doing that. I also like using the dielectric connector protector grease. Just put it right on that mating surface right as you put the bulb in. Now with the Mustang, something to note is the outer 2 bulbs are for the brake lights. So they will light up brighter. It's a 2-stage bulb. The third light is just for when the headlights are on. So if you look at the brake light bulb, see how it's a 2-stage bulb that will go on and then go brighter. So you have to make sure you have the right bulb for those 2 outer ones. For the reverse light and the bulb right above it, it's just a single stage. So you can see also by the color of the harness here, the tan colored ones are the single stage ones for the reverse light, and the one right above it, and the other 2 are the multi-stage one. So we're going to go ahead and line this up. So just make sure that the studs go in on the side. There are some guide pins. So make sure that you get these in without breaking them. And you might want to test it here to make sure that it works before you move on. So turn on the headlights, hit the brakes, have a friend help you, check the reverse lights, everything like that. Putting it back in, very simple. Just make sure all those studs go in. Sometimes you have to wiggle it to get them to go all the way in. And I like to tighten these down hand tight and wiggle it around and get it as tight as I can just by hand in case I'm on the side of the road and have to change one of these and I don't have a socket wrench on me. So anyway, that's how simple it is. Please check the video description. I'll show you how to wire up the amber taillights as well if you're interested in that. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.